Hi everyone, I ordered some stuff from QVC, some IT cosmetics. I have really been liking what I'd purchased from them so far through IT, and so I thought I would get some more. Oh, look how cute this is. It's all about you, your customers' favorites. So that's what this is. This was a today's special value on QVC. I don't know if any of you guys shop QVC ever. I occasionally do, and everything I've gotten from them has been exactly what I expected. So to me, that's awesome. And they had this, like I said, in today's special value, and it includes a supersized CC illumination, and it has an SPS of 50, and then it has a new shade of blush called, I don't know what it's called, but it is Bye Bye Pores Blush, Heavenly Skin Perfecting Brush, and Je ne sais quoi Hydrating Color Awakening Lip Treatment Syrup. Perfect on bare lips or under your favorite lip color. So let's see what it all looks like. I love the packaging. So here's the Je ne sais quoi and the blush. And here is the supersized CC cream and the brush. Like I said, the packaging is just fabulous. And looks like I got a couple of samples. This is Confidence in a Cleanser and Bye Bye Under Eye Cream. I think I will throw this out. I might keep the box in case there's something that I want to send to, like, my daughter. Maybe I'll even leave this padding in there. It's kind of cute box. So let's throw that over there for now. And let's see what we have here. So this, and the color is Sweet Cheeks for the blush. They had this for $50, and they said it's like a $190 value or something like that. And I love to try new things, and when I saw it on today's special value, I thought, ooh, I'm gonna have to try that. So that's what I'm doing. So Bye Bye Pores Blush. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Oh, I really like that. It's all glittery and glistening, and it's not a real dark color. Oh, that is super pretty. Sweet Cheeks. And this is, this is the Je ne sais quoi Anti-Aging and Skin Loving Your Perfect Pink. So I guess that's the color that it's in. You are beautiful, you are it. It has a little coating on the top. How nice, very protective. And then I'm assuming you roll it up. Yeah, and then it pops out the top. See the little it's super light. It's hardly even colored. Smells good. Huh. And I have 2 of their brushes, and I do love their brushes. And they are quite expensive on their own. At least they're the most expensive brushes I own. This says Heavenly Skin Groundbreaking Anti-Aging Skincare Infused Brush Hair. So I don't know how that works, but sounds fabulous, doesn't it? Kind of makes you afraid to wash it. Is there something in it? I'm confused. It says pairs perfectly with your skincare, color-infused powders, foundations, and all complexion products. Buff your favorite skincare and makeup into skin using circular motions for beautiful skin perfecting results. To extend the life of your brush and ensure your most flawless application, use It Brush Love once a week to cleanse, disinfect, and condition. So I guess you do continue to, I mean, I knew you'd have to clean it, but it's so soft. They have great brushes, and it feels really good in your hand. So there's that. I can throw that away, because I am definitely keeping all of this and using all of this. And this is the CC cream. Look at that. And you got to pick the shade, and I picked medium. I have never seen one with this much makeup in it. It's 2.53 ounces. This will last a long, long time. And it has a nice pump as the base. I mean, it's probably as much as my Clinique one that's in a thing, but it looks different because it's in a tube. But how cool is that? So that is everything, my friends. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then, of course, I got the sample sizes too. So that is what I got, and I am pretty excited about it. I thought that it was a decent price for what you got. I mean, especially now seeing this. This is a huge amount of CC cream. And this is color correcting, illuminating, full coverage cream, anti-aging, and hydrating serum. And it has an SPF of 50. So this is like, I will put that on this and use that on my face. So very nice. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk with you soon. Bye-bye.